Surrounded by the mountains.
Yay.
I'll show you. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. We just came back from the Tour Du Mont Blanc. We just
done.
Yeah, it's done. We just finished it yesterday.
And yeah, started on July 17th and finished on 27th.
And that was yesterday. And hello, if you're watching, the one that we met in the refuges or while hiking. We are in St. Vincent, Italy now, and we're gonna do unpacking to let you know what we have in our backpack. So this is my backpack. The brand is the brand is Low Alpine. I'm not sure if it's correct pronunciation. I have 33 liters and it can expand to 40 liters. What about you?
Liter. And
So heavy.
yeah, 60 liters. 50 plus 10.
So we will show you what's inside our bag. I have this one. This is really nice because I can just grab my stuff and it's organized. Okay, what I have here, now it's not organized because I all used it. It's all laundry. So I have I have 3 t-shirts and it's easy to dry. It's dry fit. And then I have I'm using now the other sports bra. So I have 3, where's the other one? Maybe somewhere there. I have 3 sports bra, 3 t-shirts, and I have 2 shorts, 1 pants. And I can say that I use everything and it's very useful because, for example, the pants, it's really cold in the evening, so this is really good to warm up. And sometimes for example, if we're so tired after hiking, so we don't wash our clothes because we know that we have another clothes the next day, or sometimes we're just tired to do that. So I use everything, and I also have 3 underwear and 2 socks.
Just 3 underwear. 3. No, it's not here, but I have 3 t-shirts. 1 rain pants that I never used.
Rain pants that I never use.
And 3 pairs of socks.
Did you use everything?
Yeah, socks I had to use while they were drying, the other ones.
Good.
And
Oh yeah.
towel.
I also have towel like
travel
this.
towel.
This is a really good one. I have a hair tie. This is very useful because it's so hot. I bought this one in the hotel. This is nice. You can make it like scarf if it's cold in the morning, or like this if it's too hot. And hair tie. Actually, it's multi-purpose. So this is really useful. Passport. It's in the reception right now. And I was thinking not to bring it, but actually it's good that I brought it because sometimes we stayed in a hotel 2 times because there's no refuge at all. So they were looking for our documents. So I'm glad that I took it. And then I have a Compede. It's very useful. I think I use everything. I have a mask. I was planning to use it, but unfortunately I forgot. And power bank. What's this? Oh, a map. When we stayed in a hotel, this is the replacement, so I took it with me. And I have a, what is this? Sleeping mask, which I never use. I don't know why I'm bringing this one. I thought I couldn't sleep, but actually I did because I'm so tired. I have deodorant. It's important.
Wow.
Okay, whoa. Okay, we have this. What is this called? It's a hydro tubs. We only use it once. We'll explain later why.
Yeah, this.
Oh yeah, we only use it once because we have this huge electrolytes, whoa, drink powder, and then it's still half of it actually.
Just half kilo to carry.
Yeah, I don't know why we're bringing a lot, but I have this. I only use once because we were using this. So actually, this one is enough. And sleeping mask. And we got this small body lotion and shower gel. So it's a must that you should bring it there in the refuge because they don't have it there sometimes. Yeah. And pen that I didn't use. And Vicks for my nose and my hair. It's a good one. And earplugs that I didn't use because I can just sleep right away. And it's not really loud, so I was okay. Okay, I'm done. You? Oh wait, there's I have more to my back. Oh, I have a medicine. Actually, I only use once. It's a pain reliever. And I have a lot of Band-Aid. I didn't use it, but he used it.
So deodorant, which I used.
A lot.
Compete, which we also used once.
Use once.
Plaster for...
It's
Actually,
not the plaster.
we should have used it for our legs, but we forgot.
Oh, we forgot. We have this one. It's for, how do you call it? It's heat therapy. But we forgot to use it.
And shower gel from hotel. Toothbrush that is low bat. And razor that is kind of useful. It's also light, so it's not a problem to bring it.
This one.
Contact lenses,
You
just
use
in
it?
case.
But did you use it?
Nope.
Oops.
Aftershave that I didn't use also. Toothbrush head. That was, you can use it without battery.
I have that one.
And the ear popper,
Did you use it?
because you might get your ears clogged from the earplugs. Sometimes.
But did you use it?
Nope. And the earplugs that I used
Every day?
every night.
Every night?
Because everyone is loud and snoring.
Was it? Oh, was she sleeping? Nicely.
That's almost all, I think. Oh, there's more. More earplugs.
How many? He got like... What's it? You're crazy. How
And,
many you have? 10. 10 of this. He didn't use.
Betadine.
Yeah, in case you will have a wound or something. But we didn't use that.
That's all.
Okay. Me next. What do I have in my bag? Okay. Oh, I have my raincoat jacket. This is very useful. Because sometimes it's cold in the mountains. Especially if you're up there. I use it a lot. So, you should bring a jacket. And, for example, if it's also gonna rain, this is also... It rained once, right? But it's very quick. No, it rained twice. But it's very quick. So, this is really useful. Jacket. And... Oh, actually I forgot to mention, I have one pajama. One pajama only. And so useful because sometimes when you arrive in the hotel or refuge, you feel you're sticky, you're dirty, you're stinky, so it feels so good to shower and then change to pajama. But I only have one.
I also have jacket.
Yes.
Waterproof. Wasn't very useful, but...
It wasn't really useful.
No.
What do you mean? You felt cold a lot.
Only for first 10 minutes of the hike.
Yeah, but then what about yesterday? It was so cold. You were using it.
Like for 10 minutes on the top of the mountain also.
Yeah, but still, you need to bring a raincoat jacket just in case. It's good to warm up. And what do I have here? Oh, this one. It's a bed. How do you call it? Liner? bed liner. We didn't use it at all because they have it already in the refuge. So we didn't need it. We thought that we need it because in the website in the website description they said that we should bring liner, but actually that was previous from COVID. Maybe they didn't change the website yet. But yeah, we actually bought it brand new, but we never used this one.
I used once.
You did once? So still like carrying this is useless. I have a food. I didn't finish. Oh, this is useful. Sunglasses. You.
First aid kit was useful.
Oh yeah.
Put a bandage on the sunburn. And mask.
Oh yeah. Explain why we need mask.
If you take a bus, you need it in Italy to wear a mask.
It's mandatory.
And massage ball. But you didn't really use.
Yeah, we used only 2 times, right? Yeah. I lost my massage ball. I don't know where.
Another apple.
Whoa! You didn't eat it. We have 2 apples. There was from yesterday.
No, it's from like a week ago.
What? Apples? I don't know what it is. Oh, I'm almost done. Oh, this is my sports bra. And oh, I have this one. This is my pouch. This is actually all my where I put my chargers, GoPro charger.
This is my pouch.
But I didn't finish yet.
Where I put my chargers, my phone charger.
We are in the same look. Same pouch. Then you if you need a charger, then you will just grab it because you know where it is and it's organized.
Yeah, you'll grab it.
Like that. And I brought the hard drive because I was thinking to edit their videos, but actually we did not.
Waste of weight.
Waste of weight. But okay.
It's a towel box.
Yeah, it's nice.
So you can dry through the holes. And
What? We still have a lot?
I have a tonic drink that we didn't use yet. And it's actually quite heavy. So it's better to bring tablets, I think. Much
Yeah.
lighter.
You only need 1. I have a book. I only use once or 2 times. But every evening I'm really tired, so I cannot read anymore. And I'll just go to sleep. But it's nice to bring a book. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, look, I have a protein bar.
Still?
Half of my protein bar. And some snacks that we didn't, it's already mashed. So we didn't really eat this one. And you know, when we stayed in a hotel, we just took this one. Nutella. Because sometimes there's no food up there. So we're just eating it. But I still have it now. Still Nutella.
On the laptop.
Yeah. Why we have laptop?
Yeah, that was the most useless weight to carry. It's like more than 1 kilo extra, I think.
But in my defense, we parked our car 10 days in the swoosh, and I didn't want to leave the laptop there. And I was thinking also to edit, but actually there's no signal. I only edited, I think, in the first 2 days. But on the 3rd and 4th until 10th, like we were so tired and there's no signal at all. So, but we use it in order to send our invoices. So it was useful.
Bills?
Oh, he has also 1. We didn't use this one. Why do we have too much? Yeah, just bring only 1. It's enough.
And bottle, which is too small for a hike. Or
I also have the bottle. Yeah, it's very small. So, and we have a 1 more bottle. It's from the picnic lunch. So, actually you should bring like maybe 2 liters of bottle. And you can refill it there in the river.
tanning sunscreen if you want to be protected and get tan at the same time.
Yeah, that's very useful. You need to bring a... Okay. Oh, I also have. It's quite big, but I didn't have a choice. I didn't want to buy a new one. This is from my old. This is what? This was a gift, so I didn't want to buy a new one. But this is very useful, and also because we will have a road trip in the Balkans, so for sure it's gonna be finished soon. I have a hat because sometimes in the morning, you know, when I don't brush my hair, I'll just put like that with wet hair. And this is really good. I love it. I used it, I think, almost every morning. And my toothbrush, which there's no body, it's just a head. It's enough, it's okay. And we lost our toothpaste. I don't know where was it. We forgot it somewhere. And yeah, hairbrush. It's not very heavy. It's very light. So this is useful too. Okay, I think. Oh, of course we have the. What is this? It got broken. We have the rain cover in here for the bag, and we also have a side pocket. And yeah, we also. We're using now. Let's show our sandals, Bob. We have a we have a sandals. This is really useful because once I hiked with this for 2 hours because I had a pain in my toes because of tight shoes in the first day. So this was really useful, and also if you're staying in a refuge or in a hotel or if you want to walk outside, then this is really useful.
Shoes that you don't need to pack because you wear them.
Yes, and me too. Look, our dirty shoes. Stinky dirty shoes. But I can recommend this brand. I bought it from Las Contamines, and this is Salomon. I bought it on sale, so I got cheaper price. And I can recommend this shoes. This brand of shoes,
Can
Salomon.
This as well. Quekwa.
Quick.
I don't know how it's.
But better to try first the shoes before you use it, because I had the wrong size when I had one before. And I think, oh, of course, and we have the hiking sticks. That's useful. We had 10 protein bars in total, and as you can see, I still have 1.5 left over. And actually, there's a lot of restaurants, cafes there, so you will not be hungry there and thirsty, because there is sometimes in the other variant if you're taking. And my bag, it weighs maybe 6 to 7 kilos without water. I'm happy with it. And I use everything, so I mean I use most of it, so I'm glad. What about you? Show your bag. And how many kilos is this?
Maybe 10 kilos of my bag because of the laptop and other unnecessary stuff. But it's not that heavy because of the back support.
Yeah. And what did you most regret about that you brought?
Laptop.
That's it? For me, actually, no. I use everything, so I don't regret anything. And what was a useful thing in the bag?
Clothes.
Yeah, clothes. Actually, you know what?
Socks.
Actually, socks. Yeah. Actually, sometimes, actually, if you want, you can just bring 2 sets of clothes, and you can just wash and wear, or 1 set of clothes. It really depends on you. But for me, I don't know. I use everything, so I like new clothes every day. Anyway, thanks for watching our daily vlog while hiking in Tour Du Mont Blanc. Yeah, and watch out for that. Please stay tuned.
Stay tuned. See you later.
Yeah, and thanks for watching, and you should go hiking. Bye. And we got our merch, 2 red passports. We use it while hiking. So if you like our video and if you want to watch more about us, please like and subscribe if you want. Bye. Oh, and I forgot that we also brought this one. It's a painkiller. This is very useful. We were using it every night. So please bring something like this for muscle pain.